Hello everybody. Welcome to the Market Views edition for 3rd August 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from yesterday's trading session. Markets ended on a bearish note. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about rupees 639 crores. Domestic investors sold shares worth about 340 crores. A bearish belt hold pattern was observed in the daily charts. We will see this in a couple of slides later. Weak global cues amid renewed trade war concerns has dented the market sentiments. We'll see the quarterly updates for a few of the stocks. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Commission, quarterly results update was released recently. For the first quarter, the profit rises 3.9% to 6,143 crores versus 5,915 crores. Revenue increases 13.5% to rupees 27,212 crores versus 23,970 crores. Indiabulls Housing Finance quarter one profit jumps 29.6% to 1,049 crores versus 809.5 crores. Revenue climbs 29% to rupees 3,890 crores versus 3,016.5 crores as of last year. The stock is currently trading at 1,294 rupees. MOIL, Manganese Ore Oil India Limited, is a company that is a mining company which is a state-owned company. The stock is currently trading at 180 rupees. Quarterly profit jumps to 113.44 crores versus 97.73 crores. Revenue falls to 313.52 crores versus 339.4 crores as of last year. JK Lakshmi Cement, the stock is currently trading at 333 rupees. Quarterly profit falls to 13.75 crores versus 28.3 crores. Revenue rises to 923.44 crores versus 901.14 crores as of last year. Torrent Pharma is a stock that is trading at 1,520 rupees. Quarter one profit falls 13.33% to 163.3 crores versus 188 crores. Revenue rises to 1,872 crores versus 1,362 crores as of last year. Let's have a look at Nifty. Nifty opened at 11,328 and closed at 11,244. Nifty made an intraday high of 11,328 and a low of 11,234. The market swung by about 94 points. The markets closed by about 101 points down from the previous day close of 11,346. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 11,213 and 11,178. Resistance levels are at around 11,307 and 11,367. Bank Nifty support levels at this point of time is around 27,297 and 27,234. Bank Nifty resistance levels at this point of time is around 27,449 and 27,546. Let's have a look at what bearish belt hold pattern is. This pattern happens during an uptrend. The open and high are almost the same. The close and low are almost the same. There is little or no upper shadow or lower shadow. This signals a reversal trend from bullish to bearish. This pattern, however, is not very reliable, and we need to consider other indicators and analysis for confirmation of a trend reversal. If you can look at this slide, we have the chart, the daily charts for Nifty. And in this Nifty chart, you can see that for the last day, yesterday, we have a candlestick where there is no upper shadow and a very small or negligible lower shadow. Nifty opened at 11,328 and it hit a low of 11,234 and closed at 11,244. This is happening on an uptrend. For the last 4 or 5 days, the markets have been on a bullish trend, and yesterday we have a candlestick like this formed. And this type of candlestick is called a bearish belt hold pattern, and this normally signals a trend reversal. Let us see how the markets react today, depending on this. Anyway, the markets have come down by about 100 points since yesterday. Let's have a look of stocks in the long build-up list. Long build-up happens when people open long positions, and because of which the price goes up and the open interest also goes up. We have Adani Port, which has a change in open interest of 7.5%. Titan company has a change in open interest of 4.57%. It's interesting to note that Adani Port has a change in open interest of 7.5%, but however the percentage change of its price is only 0.04%, which is negligible. So people are opening or building short positions in this stock. Titan company has a change in open interest of 4.57, and India Bulls Housing Finance, which we saw a couple of slides earlier, has a change in open interest of 3.6% with a percentage change of 1.11% in its price. Indian Oil Corporation with a change in open interest of 2.66, and GAIL with a change in open interest of 1.8%. So these are the stocks people are opening long positions in. If you're trading in these stocks, please take note of them. Long unwinding happens when people close their long positions. So we have a few stocks in this list for today. When people close their long positions, the price and the open interest, both of them, decrease. So Hero MotoCorp has a change in open interest of 3.337%. ICICI Bank has a change in open interest of 1.34%, and Tech Mahindra has a change in open interest of 1.14%. So people are exiting their long positions in these stocks. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note. Short build-up happens when people open short positions, because of which the price decreases but the open interest increases. We have a good number of stocks in this list for today because yesterday the markets really came down. Kotak Mahindra and Oil and Natural Gas Corporation has changed in open interest above 7%. Cipla has a change in open interest of around 6.69%, and couple of stocks, Larsen & Toubro and Maruti Suzuki, has a change in open interest of above 5%. And then we have a few stocks above 2%, which is Eicher Motors, Hindalco Industries, Bajaj Finance, and Tata Consultancy Services. So if you're trading in these stocks, please note that people are opening short positions in these stocks. Short covering happens when people close the short positions, because of which there is a price increase marginally, but the open interest decreases. We have Lupin, which has a change in open interest of 4.92% and a percentage change of 2.45% in its price, which is 20.65 rupees. We have Wipro with a change in open interest of 3.1% and Bharat Petroleum with a change in open interest of 2.02%. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are closing their short positions in these stocks. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets were somewhat mixed. The Dow Jones was marginally down at 0.03%. S&P 500 up by 0.49%. Nasdaq up by 1.24%. Canadian markets up by 0.18%. Mexico down by 0.8%. Brazil down up by 0.53%. Chile down by 0.89%. The European markets were largely down, as you can see in this list. The English markets down by 1.01%, Europe down by 0.57%, France down by 0.68%, Germany down by 1.5%, and Switzerland down by 0.2%. The Asian markets were somewhat mixed. The Japanese markets were up by 0.14%, Hong Kong down by 0.07%, Shanghai Chinese markets down by 0.07%. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty was down by 0.95% and 0.89% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was up 47.5 points, which is roughly 0.42%. If this is to give any indication, the market should be range bound today and be opening up marginally higher today. The last date for income tax filing is August 31st, 2018. Now, if you're a trader and if you've made losses, it is very important that you file your tax returns before the income tax filing deadline. Only then you will be able to offset any of your losses against the profits that you make in the next years. So please file your income tax returns before the deadline. If you need any help filing your income tax returns, please do contact us at the number 8095-308-555. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.